Morning, guys. I wanted to give you a lesson on absolute value equations and absolute value inequalities. We did go over this before we went out. However, I can't just expect you just to remember how to do all of it. Absolute value equations are when you're solving for an unknown, in this case x, and you have an equal sign. And it has the absolute value symbol. It's an absolute value equation. There are two situations where this could be true. Every single time, x could either be 4 or x could be -4. So you have two solutions. This or we write like that because the absolute value was isolated. In other words, this absolute value is also isolated. It says the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 13. Well, that means 2x minus 1 could be 13, or 2x minus 1 could equal -13. And when you get to that situation, you solve them independently, just like we normally would. +1, +1. So you get two solutions. You'll notice the solutions are not opposites of each other like they were here. That's because inside the absolute value you had an expression. It just wasn't one variable. Now you only set up this or statement, like I said, because the absolute value was by itself. If you had something like this, you would not jump right into your or statement like I did. You'll see I went right to my or statement on the first two examples. Here, I'm not going to go to it. I'm going to isolate my absolute value first, which means subtract 2. Then I can jump to my or statement. 5x could be 1, or 5x could be -1. There's my or statement. And those are your two potential solutions. Find me on Google Meet if you need me. I'm there for you.